Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject mathematics part 2. In mathematics part 2 we will study here the next part of chapter 1, similarity. Today's topic is solved examples from practice set 1.3. Example number 1. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to the AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. See this figure. Here solution. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, CPA and another triangle CQB, angle CPA, this angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Reason, each angle is of measure 90 degree. Angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ. ACP and another angle BCQ are congruent, but why? Because common angle. Therefore triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA similarity test. Therefore AC divided by BC is equal to AP divided by BQ. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now putting the values of BC, AP and BQ. AC divided by 12 is equal to 7 divided by 8. Therefore AC is equal to 7 multiplied by 12 divided by 8. Therefore AC is equal to 10.5. Example number 2. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equal to 5 times AP, AS is equal to 5 times AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. See this figure. In a figure, side PQ is parallel to side SR. This side PQ is parallel to side SR. That is given. And segment SQ is their transversal. Here SQ, this segment SQ is the transversal of side PQ and SR. First, angle QSR congruent to angle ESQP. QSR is congruent to angle SQP. SQP because alternate angles. 2. Angle ASR. Angle ASR is congruent to angle AQP. AQP. Alternate angles. In triangle ASR and triangle AQP. ASR and triangle AQP. Angle ASR is congruent to angle AQP from this statement. Angle SAR is congruent to angle QAP. SAR is congruent to angle QAP. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ASR is similar to triangle AQP by AA similarity test. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. AS divided by AQ is equal to SR divided by PQ. corresponding sides of similar triangles. But AS is equal to 5 times AQ. Here AS is equal to 5 times AQ. That is given. Therefore here AS divided by AQ. AS divided by AQ is equal to 5 divided by 1. Comparing this statement with this statement, we will get here. Therefore SR divided by PQ is equal to 5 divided by 1. Therefore SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Example number 3. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on the side BC is such that angle BS is equal to angle ADC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. See this figure. In triangle BAC, this triangle BAC, and another triangle ADC. Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC because that is given. Here angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Angle BCA. Angle BCA is congruent to angle ACD. ACD. Reason common angle. This angle C is common between triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Therefore, triangle BAC similar to triangle ADC by AA similarity test. Therefore, CA divided by CD is equal to CB divided by CA. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, CA multiplied by CA is equal to CB multiplied by CD. Here, CA multiplied by CA means CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. Here we have to prove here CA square is equal to CB multiplied by CD. This is our proof. Example number 4. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in a point P, and AP divided by CP is equal to BP divided by DP. Prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Observe this figure. Solution. In triangle ABP, which triangle ABP, and another triangle CDP, AP divided by CP is equal to BP divided by DP. That is given. AP divided by CP is equal to BP divided by DP. Reason here given. Angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. APB. This angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS similarity test. Thank you for watching this video.